Sorry, children. Due to technical issues, video was interrupted. So I'm really very sorry. Once again, we'll start the class. So what we are discussing, just identify the terms, their coefficient for each of the following expressions. So some expressions were given. We have to write the for this expression separate terms and the coefficient for that particular terms. Okay. 5x y z square minus 3zy. For this we have to write the terms. What is the meaning of the terms? A various part of algebraic expression which are separated by positive or negative sign. So 5x y z square we are writing separate. That is a term. And minus 3zy, this is also a term. For this term we have to write the coefficient. What is the meaning of the coefficient? Numerical factor of a term, right? So 5x y z square. So what is the number? 5 we have here. Numerical factor is a 5. So that is our coefficient. And minus 3zy. Minus 3 is a numerical factor. So that's what minus 3 is the coefficient of that particular term. So similarly, 1 plus x square. That is 1 is a one term, x is another term, and x square is next one term, right? For this term, we have to write the coefficient. 1 is 1 only. X, nothing is there, means 1. We have to write, that is only a coefficient. X square, nothing, we don't have anything. So that's what this is also 1. It's understood. Next is 4x square y square, the one term. Next minus 4x square y square z square. This is another term. Next is z square, another term. Now we have to write the coefficient for these three terms. See, what is the numerical factor here? That is 4. So 4 is a coefficient. For this particular term, what are the coefficients? So means what are the numerical factors? That is minus 4. So minus 4 is the coefficient. Okay. Here z square is there. Nothing is there. It's understood. It is 1 z square. So numerical coefficient that is 1. Okay. We'll go for the next part of this. Okay, next question of this. Fourth one, that is 3 minus PQ plus QR minus RP. Okay. Fifth is x by 2 plus y by 2 minus xy. Sixth one, 0.38 plus, sorry, it's minus 0.6 AB plus 0.5 B. So let's start. Now here also we should write the particular terms of this expressions. So 3 is the one term, minus PQ. You're writing separately, that's it. Next is QR. Next is minus RP. For this we have to write the coefficient. Coefficient the number or numerical factor here 3. For this minus is there, it means minus 1. Here nothing is there, means 1. It's understood. We don't have evidence, then also we can write here it's 1. Here also we can write minus 1. Okay, these are the coefficient of these particular terms. Next, we'll write first terms x by 2. This is one term, and this is the next one, that is y by 2, and this is minus xy. The three terms we written here. We'll write now coefficient for this particular terms. X by 2, x 1 by 2. We can write this separately, like x by 2 we can write 1 by 2 into x. So numerical value or numerical factor is, once again, you can check. X by 2 we can write like 1 by 2 into x. So 1 by 2 is a numerical factor, numerical number. So that's what 1 by 2 is a coefficient of this particular term. Here also similarly 1 by 2 is the coefficient of y by 2 and minus x y is minus 1. These three are the coefficient of these particular terms. Now here we can check 0.3a is a term. Next minus 0.6 AB is another term. Next is 0.5 P is the another term. Now we'll write the coefficient for these three. That is first is 0.3, isn't it? So because 0.3 is a numerical factor, here minus 0.6 is another numerical factor of that next term. Here it is 0.5. So this is the first question of this answers. Okay, first question answers. So shall we go for the next part? Second question, that is classify the following polynomials as monomials, binomials, trinomials, which polynomials do not fit in any of these category, any of these three categories. Okay, now what's the meaning of the questions? So some expressions were given. For that expression we have to classify, we should categorize whether it is a monomial, whether it is a binomial, whether it is a trinomial, or else in the given expression it is not fit in any of these three. Three means monomial, binomial, trinomial. In that three, whether some expression was given, so which is not fit in that three, we should write. So let's start one by one. Solution. The first one, first expression is given x plus y. So I said like types of algebraic expression, that is monomial, binomial, trinomial, right? Monomial, which algebraic expression which is having only one term. Binomial algebraic expression which is having two terms. Trinomial, it means three terms. So how many terms we can see here? We can see two terms. See, 1, 2. So it's mean binomial, isn't it? It's a binomial. Second one, 1000. How many terms we have here? Only one. So that's what it is. Monomial, isn't it? Monomial. Now third one, x plus x square plus x cube plus x to the power of 4. So what they said polynomials as monomial, binomial, trinomial, which polynomials do not fit in these three categories, only three categories. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 terms are there. It means it's not a monomial, it's not a binomial, it's not a trinomial. So we can write this, it's a polynomial, we know that. And we should write the reason, that is do not fit in any of these categories, right? Isn't it? So next, fourth one, that is 7 plus y plus 5x. So how many terms we have here? 1, 2, 3. 3 terms are there. So it means it's a trinomial. Isn't it? Got this much? So shall we go for the next part of this only? Yeah. Now fifth, that is 2y minus 3y square. Now you can see how many terms we have here? 2 terms. It means binomial. Binomials. Right? Binomial. Next is, it's given like 2y minus 3y square plus 4y cube. How many terms we have here? 1, 2, 3. 3 terms we have, it means trinomial. Trinomial it is, right? Now seventh, 5x minus 4y plus 3xy. So here also we have a 3 terms. You can check 1, 2, 3. This is also trinomial, isn't it? Next, 8th one, that is 4z minus 15z square. So how many terms we have here? 1, 2. 2 terms only. So it means it's also binomial, isn't it? Now, next is, it's given like 9th plus 9th, AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. So you can check how many terms we have here. We here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terms we have. So it's mean it's a polynomial. And what is the condition? What they are asking? 3 categories only, but it is 4th one. So that's what we can write. Do not fit in any of these 3 categories, right? So this is the 9th one. Shall we go for the next part of this? See. Next is 10th one, that is p square q plus p q square. So how many terms we can see here? 2 terms. 1. This is 1 term. This is the other. So 2 terms. It means it's a binomial. No doubt. In this, it's a binomial. The last one, the 2p plus 2q. So here also we have a 2 terms. It means this is also binomial, right? So this is the question number 2 from exercise 9.1. Hopefully you understood. So shall we go for the next question of this? Next is add the following. Question number 3 from exercise 9.1. That is add the following. Already we learned in the previous session how to add the algebraic expressions, right? So only we can add, only we can subtract like terms. What's the meaning of the like terms? Which is having same algebraic factors. Okay. First, AB minus BC, BC minus CA, CA minus AB. So this is the given question. Part 1, the question number 3. What's the question? Add. So AB minus BC, add plus, next we should add this BC minus CA, right? Next we should add this term, so CA minus AB. For addition of the algebraic expression, what we have to do? First we will arrange the terms, right? We'll rearrange the terms. Like terms together will take AB. Another AB where we have here integer, that is minus AB. So this over, this is also over, right? Next minus BC. Here only it is there minus, sorry, plus BC. These two are completed. Now next is minus CA plus CA. Plus AB minus AB cancel or subtract. Minus BC plus BC cancel. Minus CA plus CA cancel. So what is the answer? Answer is 0. This is the first part of the question number 3. We'll go for the next one. Now the second question. A minus B plus AB, B minus C plus BC, C minus A plus AC. Now can we add? So solve. A minus B plus AB, this expression we written first. Add for this next plus B minus C plus BC, we are writing this expression now. Next we have to add this term, sorry, this expression C minus A plus AC. So again what we have to do? First we will rearrange the terms. Now A here, this completed, another A we have here, so minus A. Next is minus B, this we completed, now plus B is here. Okay, next is plus AB, this we return. Next another AB we don't have, so leave it. Next is minus C, this next is plus C, this we completed, plus BC, another BC we don't have, so leave it. Next is AC. So we rearrange the terms. Now plus A minus A cancel, minus B plus B cancel, minus C plus C cancel. What is the remaining terms? AB plus BC plus AC. You can check the terms, we don't have the like terms, all are unlike terms, so we can't add further. So this much only the answer. Okay. This is the part 2 of the question number 3. Now part 3. Two p square q square minus 3 pq plus 4. Okay. Next is my next expression is 5 plus 7 pq minus 3 p square q square. Okay. What is the question? Add. Again we have to add this. So solve. 2p square q square minus 3p q plus 4. So we have to add this whole expression to this first expression. So plus 5 plus 7 pq minus 3p square q square. Now let's rearrange the terms once again. 2 p square q square, p square q square we have here. So shall I take first that? 3 p square q square. Next we'll take this term minus 3 pq. Another pq term we have here. So next this will be 7 pq, right? So what's the remaining? Plus 4 and plus 5. Constant term last. Minus 3 plus 2, it's a minus 1 because 3 is greater than the 2 and 3 is having negative sign. So it's a minus p square q square. Minus 3 plus 7 plus 4 because 7 is greater than the 3 and 7 is having positive sign. So plus 4 pq. Okay. Next is 4 plus 5, 9. So this much only answer because you can check p square, q square, we don't have another terms. P, Q, we don't have another term. 9, it's a constant. So this much only the answer. This is the part 3 of the question number 3. We'll go for the next part of this. Now fourth part of this, L square plus M square, M square plus N square, N square plus L square, 2L, 2LM plus 2MN plus 2NL. Add these. Okay, we'll add now. Sure. L square plus M square, we should add for this expression plus N square plus N square. This expression will add to this next plus N square plus L square. Next we are adding this one, the last expression 2LM plus 2MN plus 2NN. Okay, what is next? Next what we have to do? First we'll arrange the terms. L square, another L square is we have here. So let's write first. Okay, M square here only. So let's write as it is. One by one only we have continuously. So N square is here only. So write here only the same. Next we don't have LM, MN, NL, no further terms. So as it is. Okay, now can we add L square, 2L square, not L to the power of 4. We are not multiplying, we are adding here 2L square plus M square, 2N square plus N square, 2N square. Next plus 2LM plus 2MN plus 2. One thing you can check here, in all the terms we have a 2. So let's take a common 2. So what's the remaining? L square. After taking 2, what's the remaining? M square plus. After taking N square, 2 N square remaining plus. After taking 2, that is only remaining LM. Here what's left? MN. Here what? NN. You can write only this much also answer. You can write this also. Both are correct. Okay. We'll go for the next part of this. Question number 4. Now question number 4, subtract. In that first part, (4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12 from 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. Now previous questions we added, now we'll subtract. Okay. Solution. So what is the question? Subtract from this. So in this subtraction, first we have to take this expression from, after whatever the expression that we will take up first. Okay, from means usse. So shall we? So first we will write that term, that expression 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. Subtract. So minus. Next is this expression will take. 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12. Okay. In the subtraction, first expression we'll write as it is. First expression we are writing as it is in the first step, right? Next, second expression will simplify with the negative sign. Minus plus minus 4a. Minus minus plus 7ab. Minus plus minus 3b. Minus plus minus 12. Okay. Now let's arrange the terms. 12a. We have another a terms. Yeah, here we have another a term, that is minus 4a. Next is this, we are writing minus 9ab. AB another we have here. So let's write first that 7ab. Next we are writing plus 5b. Then b term we have here minus 3b. Minus 3b this we written. Now minus 3 minus 12. Once you check how many terms were written, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 are there. So here we got 8 or not, we check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So correct. Now subtract. 12 minus 4 is 8. 8a plus 8 because 12 is greater than the 4 and 12 is having positive sign. Now 9 minus 7 is minus 2 because 9 is greater than the 7 and 9 is having negative sign. So minus 2 AB. So next is 5 minus 3 because B we have here 5 minus 3 is plus 2 because 5 is greater than the 3. So 5 is having negative sign. Now minus 3 minus 12 is minus 15. So this is the answer. Okay. This is the fourth question, first part. Now we'll go for the next part of this. B, that is 3x y plus 5y z minus 7 zx from 5xy minus 2yz minus 2zx plus 10xyz. So another method I will show for this solution. Which one is easy for you, that you can adopt. Okay. From, as it is the first expression, we will take this, that is 5xy minus 2yz minus 2zx plus 10xyz. Okay. Next is this expression. See, this is 3xy plus 5yz because yz is here. So we are writing below of this. Next is minus 7zx plus we don't have xyz term, so that's what 0. Now subtract means we should change the sign here. Here plus, so minus, plus, here minus. Here it is negative, here we should take a positive. If it is a positive, we should take here negative. Now plus minus 10xyz. Okay. Minus plus minus, and so you can check here plus 7 plus it is there. Plus 7 minus 2 is plus 5. 5zx. Okay. Next is minus. It's minus only because it's a plus. Minus 2 minus 5 is minus 7yz. Then 5 minus 3 is 2xy. So hopefully you got this. This is the part B. Sorry, this is plus. Okay, this is the part B. Last question of this exercise, part C. We'll go for the part C. Now, last question of this exercise. 4p square cube minus 3p cube plus 5pq square minus 8p plus 7p minus 10 from 18 minus 3p minus 11q plus 5p cube minus 2p q square plus 5p square q. So what is the procedure? First we have to write the, after the from what is the expression, that we will write. Okay, solution. First we will write this expression. 18 minus 3p minus 11q plus 5pq minus 2p q square plus 5p square q. What is the question? Subtract. So minus. After this, we'll write this expression to subtract. So that is 4p square cube minus 3p cube plus 5p q square. I'm writing this here. Minus 8p plus 7p minus 10. So the procedure is, first expression will write as it is. There is no change because first we will simplify with the negative sign the second expression. So 18 minus 3p minus 11q plus 5p cube minus 2p q square plus 5p square q as it is. Now we'll deal with this negative sign, minus plus minus 4p square q. Now minus minus plus 3p cube minus plus minus 5p q square. Now minus minus plus 8p, right? Now minus plus minus 7p minus minus plus 10. Okay, now let's rearrange the terms. Now let's rearrange the terms. First, we are taking the constant, that is 18. Another constant term is here, plus 10. Okay. Next is 3p. P term we have here. Yes. 1 second. 3p, 11q, 5pq minus 2p. Correct only. Yeah. 18. First, this 3p will take another 7q it is. Okay. So 3p plus minus 3p plus 8p. So this completed, and this completed. Now minus 11q, q term we have here. So minus 7q, right? Next is pq plus 5pq. pq term, another one we have here, plus 3pq, right? Now minus 2p q square. So another one, q square check. Here we have q square. So minus 5p q square. Okay. This over and this over. What's the remaining? Plus 5p square q. P square is there. So here only we have minus 4p square q. So all the terms over. Now shall we add? Now check. 10 plus 8, it's 18, it's 28. Minus 3 plus 8, it's plus 5. P, because 8 is greater than the 3 and 8 is having positive sign. Minus 11 minus 7 is minus 18q, right? 5 plus 3, it's 8pq, right? Minus 2 minus 5 is minus 7pq square. Next is plus 5 plus minus 4 is plus 1 because 5 is greater than the 1. So plus p square q. So you can check, we don't have another constant term, we don't have another p term, we don't have another q, we don't have another pq, we don't have pq square, we don't have p square q. So this much only the answer. This is the question number 4. This is the question number 4, part 3. So this much, this is the exercise 9.1. So this much for today. We'll meet tomorrow. Bye-bye. Thank you. Have a nice day.